the left side of the road. That's the right side of the road. And there's the creek bed.
Whoa.
And nobody coming down this road. You stop at the water, don't you try to get in it. Get away from over there before you fall in it. Okay, all that water comes from that man's pasture. Comes from the other creek bed over to this creek bed. Don't you go no farther, we're at the end of the road. Can't go no farther because of the creek bed. What?
I'm going to see it closer.
Yeah, but you can't go past right there where you was, because see, it's flooded.
What?
Flooded.
Flooded?
Yep.
Like...
Can't even make it to the other side of the road.
Like up the board?
I probably could with my rain boots on, but it'd probably be to the top of my damn rain boots. Looks pretty damn deep over there. Go to my house. Yeah, we gotta walk all the way back up the road now.
No. I want to see it. But I want to see it for a second.
You want to see what?
The bed.
You can see it. See it? It's right there.
No, I want to see it closer.
We just was at it. You see, you can see it way over there, coming down his pasture and from the other creek bed.
Whoa, what's that?
Don't see any of Papa's fish floating out, do you? You enjoying this walk? At least it got you off the computer for a little bit, didn't it? Come on.